I was so tempted to open it the moment I received it, but I resisted so that I can open it in front of you guys. What's up guys, welcome back to LaFilleChic. I'm Bidisha and I make fashion and lifestyle videos on this channel and occasionally nerd out about books, movies and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Anyways, this is the first time that I ever ordered a subscription box. And apparently this is India's most affordable subscription box. I got this one for 310 bucks, 309 to be exact, but that's because I ordered for a month because I wanted to try it out first. But there are other plans too, like 3 months plan and a 6 months plan, I guess, where you get this box at even lesser each month. I'll actually put the link of the website down below so that you can decide for yourself which one would be perfect for you. Anyways, enough of the rambling, let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so I already opened it up and I'm not gonna lie, I did take a quick peek inside, but I swear I did not see the products. So the first impressions will be completely genuine. Let's open it up. I'm just gonna throw this. This is what's inside the box. I can see the pouch and something else. A kajal. I actually haven't put kajal since forever. I only use liner nowadays, but I have been thinking of including kajal once again in my kind of everyday get it ready routine. Maybe this is a sign from the universe that I should. This one is from a company called Elenblu. It says it's made in Germany. The MRP for this is 249 bucks. That's actually really good because the whole box costs 310. This is how it looks. Good thing that I don't have to use a sharpener because every time my kajal gets kind of blunt and I have to use a sharpener, it just sits there on the box and I almost never use it. So these kind of things are for people like me. That was the first product. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next is pouch and it is filled with lots of things. I don't know if they consider it part of the box, but I'm so happy it's not a cardboard box but a pouch because this is a very good size to carry while traveling. Let's see what's inside. I can see a card. It says EUPHORBIA box. Sometimes the eyes can say more than the mouth. I don't get that here. Oh, maybe this is okay, this is eye focus box, I think. And behind this, they have a list of all the products with their MRPs. The next one is Good Soap Eye Serum. I don't know which one is the eye serum. Sugar correction eye serum. The MRP for this is 1199, which is expensive. I hope the product is good too. It's a very tiny bottle. It's 8 ml for the delicate skin around the eyes, smooth out fine lines and add instant brightness. I think it's the perfect time I ordered a subscription box because I was searching for eye products. I can try a lot of eye products now, it seems. It's from a company called Good Soap. It's a roll-on, that's good. It says on the bottle, avoid contact with eyes. It's for the skin around the eye and not the eye because it strictly says avoid contact with eyes. What's wrong with the lighting? Next product, 7 C's Long Crazy Matte Lip Pen, which should be this. The MRP for this product is $2.99. It's a crayon lipstick by 7 C's in the shade. There's just a number. She doesn't have a name, I guess. Just has a number which is 637. Manufactured by 7C's Cosmetics, New Delhi. It's a good color. It does have a smell and it's good. I can't place it considering the pouch too. That's the fourth product. Then there's a pair of earrings. Ooh, it's nice. The MRP for this is 150 bucks. Super light. I actually love light earrings because they're so comfortable to wear. So there's that. And the last product is, it says Colordo's Nail Lacquer, which is like a bonus product, and the MRP for this is 119 bucks. This bubble wrap is addictive, but it's so hard to open. Hope I don't destroy the product in the process. The color looks nice. The company is called Colordo's. The color actually looks nice. I don't have anything with this because I generally opt for either black or the very colorful ones like orange or yellow. This is like a very subtle color which I generally don't opt for, but I'll give this a try. And that's it. These are all the products that came in the 309 bucks including taxes box called EUPHORBIA box, which is apparently India's most affordable subscription box. I think this is my favorite product, mainly because I haven't used any of the other products and I have never used anything from their company. I generally stick to mainstream companies when it comes to cosmetics. So this will be a good experience trying out other companies too, and maybe there are a lot of other companies which are as good and way more affordable than the mainstream ones. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.